Hey guys, Ron here. I'm going to turn you around for a second here. Not only do I live around here and sell real estate here, but I also run here. I do my jog here because it's so beautiful. I drive 10 minutes down to the boats because it's a fantastic place to hang out and a fantastic place to run or bike or do whatever you want to do. Now, I chose not to live right here on the channel, which I'm going to show you now, because personal preferences. I like it a little more quiet. I like it a little more suburban. So I live 10 minutes away drive where it's a little more suburban. But I have lived among the boats here, particularly when I was a younger guy. It's a fantastic place to live at any age. My parents lived here in their 60s. My father had boats here. It's just really beautiful, and I love it a lot, and it soothes my soul. And I feel, and if you live here, you will feel like you are on vacation living here. So I'm going to give you a little tour of, this is going to be Marquesa Way in Marina del Rey and the surrounding area. Let's turn around. So right now we're talking about, we've got the Neptune Marina complex there. If you take Via Marina down here past where these cars are going, you'd end up at the jetty, which I call the point. These units, these buildings are all new, built within the last couple of years. Didn't used to be here, these tallest buildings in the area. So this is Via Marina. Excuse me, this is Admiralty Way. I was right the first time. This is Via Marina. I'm forgetting. Okay, so see all these complexes, and we're going to be near the boats in just a minute or two. So how's that for a pool? Pool with the sort of glass walls right on the harbor, right at the marina. Looking out on the boats. That's a nice view. And here we are at the boats, surrounded by condos and apartments. Beautiful day and night. Used to walk my dog down here, but he doesn't really like it. Although there we go, and there's a bunch of dogs being walked right there. And there always are. So the parking areas for these condos and the boats. That's their view. Like I say, beautiful day and night.
Up 100% with the swing deck as well. Oh yeah, so it's got that part. Oh, and it dropped in. Oh my God.
So this is your view.
I don't know shit about those.
This is your view. Guys are cutting trees here today. I don't know what that alarm is going off of there. I'm not sure. It's usually much more quiet and less activity than this. The one day I decided to film, but this is good. We'll see what goes on. So we've got a parking structure here for this particular complex. All right, and we'll pick it up again in a minute. Take a look at some more. So this is your view from these units, from these lanais, these balconies, whatever you want to call them. I like the Hawaiian phrase, lanai. So here's another complex here, right at the end of Marquesa. And their beautiful view. And what you'll see at the very end is this particular complex looks straight out on across the harbor at Burton Chase Park, just otherwise known as Chase Park. I like to sit at that bench that we're coming up to on the middle of my walk, and they're often cleaning the boats, working on the boats down there. And sometimes taking the big yachts out, because as you can see, this end is where the big boys sit. Big boys and girls sit. So no sailboats here, just the big power boats. All right, so here's a beautiful area. There's Chase Park across the way. See the people sitting out there. And this is a view of the boats. And look at that. Look at the views that they have. Quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. This is what you wake up to if you live here. Condos and apartments on all these little finger areas of the marina of the harbor. Again, there's Chase Park across the way. All right, folks, well, I'll conclude this video here. Realtor Ron here to help you with anything you may need. If you want to find out what your property's worth, call me, text me, let me know. I'll let you know. If you want to know what property's worth in an area of Southern California that you're looking for, particularly the Los Angeles area, I'll get that for you very easily. Would love to help you out. It's just really beautiful here. All right, folks, well, we'll call it there again. My name is Ron, Realtor Ron with Coldwell Banker Realty in Brentwood, California. Let me know if there's anything I can do for anyone, and we will be seeing you at the next location. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now we'll say bye.